दोस्तों इस वीडियो को देख के आपके मार्क्स जरूर बढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हम जो क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं वो पास्ट ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर से लिए हुए क्वेश्चन है। ये देख के आपको कैसे मार्क्स बढ़ेंगे, तो इससे आपको एस्टिमेट कर सकते हैं कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आने वाले समय में आ सकते हैं। दूसरा कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, वहाँ पर जाके आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और जिससे आपके स्कोर और ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। दोस्तों अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन बटन को जरूर दबाएं, जिससे आने वाली सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल जाएगी। हम इस चैनल पे अकाउंट और फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड जॉब अपडेट्स डालते हैं और साथ ही पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर डालते हैं, तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा चैनल को और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे तो शेयर भी करिएगा। तो शुरू करते। इससे पहले हम लगभग 200 क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं, तो आइए उसके आगे क्वेश्चन करते हैं। पेपर 3 देख रहे हैं जिसका नाम और क्वेश्चन 21 देखते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन, as per section 7 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, the employer shall arrange to pay the amount of gratuity within 30 days from the date it becomes payable to the person to whom gratuity is payable. अगला क्वेश्चन है, which of the following is which section of the CGST Act 2017 governs the time of supply of the goods? सेक्शन 12 इसका आंसर है। अगर अब अगला देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 23। क्वेश्चन 23 इज एज फॉलोस, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जॉब कॉस्टिंग? तो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है, सुटेबल इन इन्फ्लेशनरी कंडीशन, ये इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है। बाकी फर्स्ट, सेकेंड और फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है। फैसिलिटेट production planning, spoilage and defective work can be identified, profitability of each job can be derived. 24वां क्वेश्चन, as per section 156 of the Company Act 2013, every existing director shall within 1 month of the receipt of the director identification number DIN from the central government intimate his director identification number to the company or all companies wherein he is a director. ठीक है, 1 मंथ के अंदर उसको बताना होगा। अगला क्वेश्चन 25 है, which of the following is not an accounting software for a book writing? So notebook is not an accounting software, all other are accounting software for book writing, that is Tally, Busy and Mark. ठीक है, 26 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। 26 क्वेश्चन है, एज पर अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 14 अकाउंटिंग फॉर अमलगमेशन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मेथड ऑफ अकाउंटिंग फॉर अमलगमेशन, द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ विच इज टू अकाउंट फॉर द अमलगमेशन as if the separate businesses of the amalgamating company were intended to the continued by the transferee company. So pooling of interest method ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। 27th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। 27th क्वेश्चन एज फॉलोस। 27th क्वेश्चन है, हाउ will you classify the activity of cash received from sale of patents as per the accounting standard 3 cash flow statement? So investing activities का सही आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 देखते हैं। 28 क्वेश्चन है, as per accounting standard 29, an enterprises should not recognize a contingent liability and should not recognize a contingent asset. ठीक है, तो कंटीजेंट असेट और कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करना है। ये अभी ये प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन है, इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाओगे और क्वेश्चन देखोगे तो वहाँ पे इसका आपको पूरा तरीके से सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ द ₹100 टू बी रिसीव्ड आफ्टर 2 ईयर कंपाउंडेड एनुअली एट 10%? सो आंसर है 82.64 इन रुपीज। ओके, now 30th question, as per section 121 of the Company Act 2013, every listed public company shall prepare in the prescribed manner a report on each annual general meeting, including the confirmation to the effect that the meeting was convened, held and conducted as per the provision of the Company Act and the rule made there under. 31st question देखते हैं। 31st question है, the question is, as per section 20 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, where both the parties to agreement as under a mistake as to matter of fact essential to the agreement is void. Okay, this is the question number 31. Now question number 32. क्वेश्चन है A and potential equity share is a financial instrument or other contract that entities or may entities its holder to equity share as per accounting standard 20. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 देख रहे हैं. What is the disclosure requirement for requirement of prior period item as per accounting standard 5? So it should be separated, shown in the profit and loss statement in the manner that its impact on the current profit or loss can be perceived. ये requirement as per accounting standard 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 है as per the Company Act 2013, every company having a net worth of rupees 500 crore or more, or a turnover of rupees 1000 crore or more, or a net profit of rupees 505 crore or more during any financial year shall constitute a corporate social responsibility committee. Now the question number 35th is as follows. What is the meaning of equivalent production unit in a process costing? Converting the incomplete production unit to their equivalent completed units. 36th question है unguaranteed residual income value of a leased asset is the amount of by which the residual value of the asset exceeds its guaranteed residual value as per the accounting standard 19. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 है as per the section 45 of the Company Act 2013, every share in a company having a share capital shall be distinguished by its distinguished number. 38th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. 38th क्वेश्चन क्या है अभी. when a revenue from a sale to intermediate party, that is when goods are sold to distributor, dealer or other resale, recognized as a revenue as per accounting standard 9. Revenue recognition when significant risks of ownership have passed. Question number 39. Question number 39 is as follows. The auditor has given the following remark. We have not been able to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence to provide a basis for an audit opinion. Accordingly, we do not express an opinion on the financial statement. What kind of an audit report? It is to disclaimer of opinion report. So इसका आंसर है disclaimer of opinion report. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन है 40th क्वेश्चन. As per section 91 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, a bills of action is said to be dishonored by non-acceptance when the drawee or one of several drawee not being partner make default in acceptance upon being duly required to accept the bill, or where presentment is executed and the bill is not accepted. Question number 41. So which of the following formula is correct with respect to fixed overhead volume variance? So fourth is the correct right answer. Fixed overhead volume variance is equal to fixed overhead efficiency variance plus fixed overhead capacity variance plus fixed overhead calendar variance. Now 42 question. Section 6 of the Payment of Gratuity Act deals with the nomination. Now question number 43. ये प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन है. इसका अगर आपको सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाना होगा, वहाँ पे लिंक मिल जाएगी. वहाँ पे जाके आप क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन भी देख सकते हो और प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हो. फाइंड द ऑपरेटिंग लिवरेज ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. सेल्स है 1 लाख रुपए, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है 60%, फिक्स कॉस्ट है ₹24,000. तो आंसर है 2.50. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 44th क्वेश्चन है. 44th क्वेश्चन है एज फॉलोज देखते हैं. 44th क्वेश्चन है अंडर द operation costing, conversion cost are applied to products using a predetermined application rate. This predetermined rate is based on budgeted conversion cost. Now The question number 45th क्वेश्चन 45th है इस तरह से, which of the following is not be a following by a finance manager to measure and maximize shareholder wealth. So accounting profit is not followed by finance manager to measure and maximize shareholder wealth. First three is followed by finance manager, that is application of time value of money, cash flow approach, cost benefit analyze. Now 46th question. 46th question is as follows: as per the Payment of Bonus Act 1965, available surplus means the available surplus computed under section 5 of the act. Now 47th question. As per section 11 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, a promissory note, bills of exchange, or a check drawn or made in India and made payable in or drawn upon any person resident in India shall be deemed to be an inland instrument. 48th question. So 48th question is as follows. So 48th question. As per section 140 of the Company Act 2013, the auditor appointed under section 139 may be removed from his office before the expiry of the term only by a special resolution of the company after obtaining the previous approval of the central government in that behalf. Okay, 49th question. 49th question is as follows. What is the disadvantage of the payback period technique of capital budgeting? So fourth is disadvantage, it ignores salvage value. First three are the advantage. It is simple to use, it gives an indication of liquidity, it does not ignore salvage value. So that are advantages. Now 50th question. 50th question is as follows. Auditing and Assurance Standard 3 AAS 3 deals with documentation. Now 51st question. 51st question is as follows. What is the meaning of time value of money? So meaning is money that is available at the present time is worth more than the same amount in the future. 52 question. Income which occurs or arise outside India and is received outside India in the previous year from any other source is taxable in the hands of a resident and ordinary resident under the Income Tax Act 1960. As per the Company Act 2013, no listed company or a company belonging to such class or classes of company as may be prescribed shall appoint or reappoint an individual as auditor for more than one term of 5 consecutive years. 54th question. As per the para 35 of Accounting Standard 7, construction contracts, when it is probable that total contract cost will exceed total contract revenue, the expected loss should be recognized as an expense immediately. 55th question. 55th question is as follows. In the installment system, total interest received by the seller is credited to the interest suspense account. Now the next question is 56th question. As per the section 288A of the Income Tax Act 1961, rounding off of the total income will be the next higher lower multiple of 10. Now 57th question. 57th question is as follows. When the subject matter of reservation in the audit the report is material but not pervasive, or may be material but not pervasive, in this kind of situation, which audit report should be given by the auditor? It is qualified opinion report. Now 58th question. The question is, Rajesh, who is 81 years of age, has earned a total income of rupees 10,50,000 during the financial year 18-19. Calculate his tax liability including cess. His tax liability is 1,01,000 19,600. So rupees 1,19,600. So you can calculate. You can also calculate you can also check the answer in description box given in the solution and additional information. Okay, now the next question, 59th question. Which section of the Company Act 2013 deals with the corporate social responsibility? Section 135.